Right, you can see at the back of me the path, which appears a path now, is actually the trackbed of the 1819 tramway, which came up from Pinxton Wharf up to Mansfield. And about just over a year's time it'll be the bicentenary of the opening of that line. The engineer was Josiah Jessup. Now in the background you can see the embankment for the deviation line, which is the one that's still open as a freight only line from Kirkby Station Junction to Pye Bridge. That came into being in 1849, one of a number of deviations on the line which occurred through its 200-year history, which we'll be looking at as part of the project. And this is the deviation. So this part of the tramway ceased to be in around late 1840s, 1849, and converted to what I would call a conventional railway. But taking a closer look at the tramway deviation in Kirkby Quarries, Portland Park. The name Portland will crop up again and again with the landowner, the Duke of Portland. You can see in the foreground here, this is the trackbed for the 1819 tramway, the original route. And in the background you can see through the trees there the train line where it goes now, the freight only line. So we're at the other side of the 1849 deviation, and this shows you the trackbed again. I've got my barking dog in background. This shows you the original trackbed of the 1819 tramway, which is coming up to its 200th anniversary. So we're on the trackbed here, look, right on the trackbed of the 1819 tramway, looking at the deviations in Kirkby Quarries. This is the original 1819 route, which celebrates its bicentenary next year. And just to the left of me is the one of the connections into Bentinck Colliery, and at the side of that is the line from Kirkby Station Junction to Pye Bridge. Oh. Again, imagine you being on here paddling up to some a team of horses and wagons paddling up towards Kirkby with coal from Pinxton into Mansfield. That's what you'd have almost 200 years ago.